As an engineering leader, you're flying blind. All you can see of a developer's craft is at the time of their pull request. You're missing the journey of how the developer got there. By the time the dev has committed the code, he's already moved on to the next problem. There's a whole story to tell about his approach, though. How he struggled with the problems, which tools he used, if any, and then whether he iterated on it to improve for efficiency, reliability, readability, etc. As a lead, you need all the information you can get to create the optimal conditions for coaching and behavioral change. We can't wait until review season to address inconsistent code quality. Let's look at this piece of code. A developer implemented a basic Dijkstra algorithm from scratch. We're not going to talk about whether they should have used a library, this is just a toy example. The algorithm itself is functional. It passes a basic smoke test and it follows Go conventions. On the surface, this looks like a solid PR. There's quite a bit lacking from it though. For starters, it has 0 unit tests, making it harder to maintain, and there's a real lack of documentation, making it difficult for others to pick it up and use it in other libraries. As they coded, Aleutian AI's IDE plugin for Golang, it also works in IntelliJ and PyCharm, was collecting information about the programming session in the background. Once per day, Aleutian AI's analysis looks at the full day's worth of code and evaluates the entire development craftsmanship picture, from design and testability to maintainability, using heretofore impossible analysis methods. Because the dev and the manager can get feedback on a daily basis on the state of code as it's being written, feedback can be received before the PR is even submitted. You can cut down on PR times and focus on the core of team skill development, the individual's problem-solving approach and abilities. You can see the story behind the code. In this example, the functionality score is high, and that's great, but the testability score is low. The AI's strategic next step is very clear: implement a comprehensive suite of unit tests. You can see that it's giving your dev actionable feedback on where to prioritize their technical time and how to improve their skill set and their skill ratings, simplifying your management process and giving you insights you didn't have before. Over time, these data build a skills fingerprint for each engineer. You can see who's excelling and where, and begin to get more interesting opportunities for management. For example, you can see who is great at something, who's not, and pair them together for something like a mentorship program. Or if the team is all underperforming in a specific area, you can plan out team trainings if you see patterns begin to emerge. You can get a level of clarity and transparency that wasn't possible before. Stop relying only on peer feedback. Don't wait until the PR. Stop guessing. Start coaching. Build a culture of excellence with real data. That's Aleutian AI. Request a demo today.